Now in this lesson we look at the simplification of surds. Now if we consider this, the square root of AB, a result that we're going to use is that it equals the square root of A times the square root of B. So that's an important result that we're going to use this lesson. Now with our work on surds, we're going to often refer to the squared numbers. We're going to make use of the squared numbers. They are 1 squared, which is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, 5 squared is 25, 6 squared is 36, 7 squared is 49, 8 squared is 64, 9 squared is 81, and 10 squared is 100. Now that list can continue, okay, continue as long as you like, but for the moment we'll just stick with these numbers we've listed. Now, examples. We're asked to simplify, firstly, the square root of 48. Now, we need to use our squared numbers here. We need to choose a number, the largest number possible, that divides into 48. Okay, that is a factor of 48. Well, we know that 4 goes into 48, but so does 16, and 16 is the largest one from that list. 16 goes into 48 3 times. So we can write that the square root of 48 equals the square root of 16 times the square root of 3. Okay, 16 threes are 48. Now the square root of 16 works out to be 4. Alright, that's why we choose the squared numbers, because we can take the square root of them. And then we have multiplied by root 3. Now we can simplify this much like algebra. We can write this as 4 root 3. We can drop off the times. Okay, if you consider if we had 4 times x, you can write that as 4x. So a similar thing occurs in surds. Example 2, we've got to simplify 5 root 18. Now that 5 is a whole number, we can just write that down, and it's multiplying by the root 18. Again, we look at our list of squared numbers and think, what goes into 18? Well, 9 goes into it twice, so we can write that the square root of 18 is root 9 times root 2. Now that root 9, we're going to change that and just replace it with a whole number 3. So we have 5 times 3 times root 2. Okay, that root 9, replaced it with 3 as a whole number. And simplifying that now, 5 times 3 is 15. Then we have times root 2, but we can just simply write the root 2. So final answer there, 15 root 2.